Welcome back to the channel. In this video I'll be discussing the current status of California Assembly Bill 390 at the end of July 2019. Now the fact that you're actually watching this video means you probably know what California Assembly Bill 390 is, but in case you don't, I have a playlist with other videos I have on this topic. I'll put a link up here in the corner so you can go check those out so you understand what we're talking about in this particular video. So after the introductory segment, we'll discuss the current status. Does it have life in California 2019 legislative session or after? So let's get to that after the introduction. What is the current status of Assembly Bill 390 at the end of July, you might be asking? Well, it's no different than the status it had at the end of March in 2019. I created a video at the end of March after the bill had been reviewed and discussed at the Transportation Committee, had a vote, and it passed. Now, you would hope that it would move on to the next committee, which in this particular bill's case is the Appropriations Committee. But since end of March, now we're at the end of July, there's been 4 months, and nothing, of course, has taken place. The chairperson for that particular Appropriations Committee has effectively killed that bill for the 2019 legislative session because it hasn't been taken up for discussion or vote. That doesn't mean the bill is dead. I tried to reach out to the bill authors, and I can't contact them directly through the legislative website because I don't live in their district, but I contacted my local assembly person, and their office contacted the bill authors, which was nice of them, and got the current information on what I'm trying to confirm my suspicions about the status. And they confirmed that it was the chairperson of the Appropriations Committee that decided not to take up the bill. And because of that, it didn't go up for a vote and can't then proceed on in the process to becoming a law here in California. So for the 2019 legislative session, this bill is dead. It doesn't mean the bill's totally dead, though. It is a bill, it's a 2-year bill that could be considered in 2019 or 2020 legislative sessions. So starting January 2020, it could pick up and move on in the process, but right now it's effectively dead for 2019. So the changes enacted by Assembly Bill 1824, Section 4 to the Vehicle Code, they're going to stay in place at least for all of 2019 and probably a good portion of at least the first part of 2020 if the bill gets passed at some point in the early part of 2020. So hopefully that keeps you up to date where we are. As soon as I get more information on this particular or any change in the status of this bill, I'll create another video with updated information. Hopefully you found the video helpful. If you did, hit that like button. I would appreciate it. And if you would like to keep up to date on topics like this, make sure you subscribe to the channel for car shows, car meets, California Vehicle Code information like this, and tool reviews. So please subscribe. It's free. I would greatly appreciate it. So I'll see you in the next one. If you like this video, smash that like button. If this is the first time you stop by the channel, please click the subscribe button to the right. It's free. Click that bell notification to get notified when I upload new videos. Follow Retro Car Guy 530 on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and Patreon. Thanks for coming to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.